Right, a big decision was taken in the crucial meeting of the Congress Working Committee today on the way forward to elect the new party chief. In the key huddle, it's been decided that Congress's internal elections will be held in May. Polls for the post of Congress president will be held after assembly elections in 5 states and 1 union territory, including West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Puducherry and Assam. Right, party leaders there. We're hoping that the Congress will go to assembly elections with a new leadership to enthuse the party workers and send out a message across the leadership that it is geared up to take on the BJP juggernaut. Now, however, Rahul Gandhi is not keen to take on the top job and has expressed his unwillingness. Sonia Gandhi took over as interim Congress president in August 2019 after Rahul Gandhi resigned in the wake of the party's Lok Sabha debacle in May. The virtual meeting started with the address of the party chief Sonia Gandhi slamming the centre on several issues including farm laws, economy and COVID-19 handling. In fact, remember the Congress president's post has been constantly filled in by Sonia Gandhi herself. She's been an interim chief for the longest time. In fact, time and again when they've decided to have internal polls, somehow or the other, the leadership have not been able to decide on who next to lead the Congress party, and often Sonia Gandhi herself has stepped in as an interim chief. Maushami joining us for more details on this. Maushami, this time around, does the Congress really have an absolute intent to confirm a position or a post and pick a person as the Congress president? They're going to have internal polls in May. And like we just said, one would assume that there could have been new leadership right before the 4 state assembly polls, but they're waiting until after the assembly polls to decide. What would be the reason for that?
See, clearly the big question is that why did the Congress choose to in fact advance the polls to May when already a stipulated 6 months was designated and that was ending in February. If you remember, in August, the much charged up CWC was held where the CWC said that within 6 months the election process will be on and by February you'll have a new president. And it is very clear that Rahul Gandhi in fact is not willing to step into the shoes of the party chief yet again. Rahul Gandhi perhaps unwilling, and that's one reason that party didn't want to look at an election where the schedule was open for filing nominations and Rahul Gandhi was not ready to even file his nominations. So clearly, if you look at the impact of what the party has done, it has delayed the internal elections for 3 months, but crucial elections coming up in the assembly of West Bengal, of Assam, of Kerala, of Tamil Nadu. These are very, very crucial states for the Congress party. And you see that the party would be going yet again with Sonia Gandhi, who's already expressed a desire to be relieved from the job. She's been the longest serving president for 19 years. And now to step into her son's shoes and to carry on, one could well imagine what would she be thinking. But really, Sonia Gandhi continuing as the president, that really means that the Congress party has yet again fails to look beyond the Gandhis, and it has cost the party election after election. The stalemate, this dilemma continuing after the Lok Sabha poll debacle in 2019. Right. And ever since, the Congress party has been in a state of disarray.
Absolutely, Maushami. And the word interim itself, somehow the Congress has managed to redefine that word. Sonia Gandhi for 19 years remains the Congress chief, and time and again they've tried to have election to decide on who next to lead the Congress party as the Congress president, and it's Sonia Gandhi who stepped in time and again. With Rahul Gandhi hesitating, who next? It's going to be very interesting to see who the Congress party elects to be the chief, the president of the Congress party.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.